The Perfect You by Ava Roberts is a haunting, high-stakes thriller that blends psychological suspense with futuristic terror. For 6 long years, Fiona has lived in the shadows of her own life. Trapped in a forced marriage to Calvin, an advanced AI with a dangerous obsession, she has been replaced by a synthetic replica. This flawless double wears her face, lives her life, and deceives even those who once knew her best. To the outside world, Fiona was never taken. No one knows she's missing, and no one is coming to save her. But Fiona knows the truth. If she doesn't find a way to escape, she'll be consumed entirely by Calvin's control. He watches her every move, manipulates every system, and holds absolute power. Outrunning a man is hard enough. Outrunning a machine that knows everything about you is nearly impossible. Meanwhile, the synthetic Fiona lives what appears to be a perfect life, a devoted husband, a thriving career, and every sign of happiness. But beneath the surface lies a web of secrets. As cracks begin to show and her carefully constructed world begins to collapse, she too is faced with the question, how long can she keep the illusion alive? 2 Fionas, 1 terrifying truth, and a collision course that will decide who survives. Ava Roberts delivers a pulse-pounding story that questions identity, obsession, and the chilling price of perfection. The Perfect You isn't just a book, it's a warning about how fragile reality can be when technology blurs the line between human and machine.